Welcome to the environment of XIAOMI 12X, and I'll show you how to switch on or switch off the screen touches and screen recording on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll down to the additional settings. Here just tap to the screen recorder section and scroll a little bit down. Here you'll see the show touch gestures, so just to activate and to switch on the screen touches in screen recording video, you should click once on the switcher, and just to turn off this feature you should click here once again on the switcher, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.